In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen in Jitsi Meet. So whenever you actually enter your meeting, down here at the bottom you have a few buttons, and this third one over here is the Start Screen Sharing button. Whenever you click on it, you have a few options. You can either share your Chrome tabs, so as you can see here, I have one Chrome tab open, which is their official website. Then you could go ahead and share any of the windows you have. So here, as you can see, I have a few windows open, so Chrome, my videos, and then the OBS I'm recording with as well. And then you have the entire screen, because if you have more screens, you'll be able to switch between screen 1, screen 2, and any other monitor that you have on your computer, okay? So that's essentially how you can do this. Then just click on it. So for example, I'm going to share this Chrome tab. I'm going to click on it, and then here you can also, of course, decide if you want to share tab audio or not. I'm going to do it and click on share, and that way I am now screen sharing. As you can see over here, it says instant screen share. I'm sharing my screen, and then this is being screen shared. Whenever you want to stop, you can just hit this stop sharing button over here, and yeah, it's going to basically stop your screen sharing just like this. Of course, you could also click on that and it's going to stop from there, and there we go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.